So Luke, I actually learned firsthand just how important a diesel injector washer kit is. This is an injector out of my Land Rover. The washer at the nozzle there had fouled and allowed for combustion gases to get past and up the shaft there. Didn't take long, that had carboned itself into the head, and you can see we had to work pretty hard to pull this out. We were getting close to having to remove the head, but with the old slide hammer and a lot of heat, we were able to get the injector out. You can see that was destroyed.
Yeah, these common rail injectors, they can be a real nasty job, and it can be as simple as a tiny little washer at the base of the injector there. If you don't get that right, you're in for a headache down the track.
Now, Goss have a full range of diesel injector washer kits that pretty much include everything that you need to get that in properly.
Correct, yeah. Most important one being the nozzle washer at the end, like we mentioned. But if there's any other O-rings, like the body O-ring or the return line washer required, our kit will come with them as well.
Special highlight, DWK 100.
Yep, that's to suit the Hi-Ace and Hilux 1KD engines and a lot of the 1VDs in the Cruisers and Troopies as well. Really, really popular. Obviously, most workshops would have thrown a set of injectors at one of those vehicles over their time. So yeah, making sure you have the right hardware to actually do the job properly is critical.
Big range, but good to draw attention to that. Very popular car on the road.
Thanks for your time, Clint.
Cheers, Lee.